Just gonna do a little something light on my face. First thing, we need some Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. I like my makeup matte because my skin is oily in some places, and it all depends on what I'm doing. The primer was in soft matte. This Matchstick contouring. It's in the color Ebony. Next, I'm using the foundation in 420. And sometimes I use the sponge, and then sometimes I use my brush. All depends. One thing I like about this Fenty, it actually covers up a lot of my moles, which I call them my Morgan Freemans. I've had them burned off before, but they come back. They take a while to come back, but they do come back. And I don't put my makeup on in any particular order. I just get it on. Again, I am not a professional. And this is Fenty Beauty Concealer. I don't know if y'all can see that. And this is in color 390. Of course, you know, do the under eye. And this, I like to use my Fenty brush. And I just dab and blend. See all of these imperfections. Kind of hide some of the moles, not all of them. Which are the ones some of the other ones I did try to remove. She said they were freckles. I'm like, oh, whatever. I just wanted them off, but. This is hard to do on camera. And here I put that because I have a scar there. Fell over the handlebars on a bicycle when I was little. Now I'm using this Matchstick for contouring in the color Ebony. And I like my face chiseled. Especially the older that I get, I like it really chiseled. So I'm just going to take it down here, 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 down the center here. Just a little here. Now we'll use my Fenty brush and blend to the gods on this. I want to focus today. This is the Pro Filter powder. And this, I'm going to use that. You see, I like this Fenty because it covers up my moles and I don't have to use a whole lot of it. And I do have a mole. Where's it? Right here. Sometimes I blacken it some, sometimes I don't. Next, what I'm going to do is put on my mascara. And this is a Fenty Beauty mascara, and it's because I'm black. So I'll be back when I put my mascara on. Alright, so you see I put on the mascara and some eyeliner. Now I'm going to do my lip, and I'm just going to use this pencil. I think it's a soft black, but I'm going to use that. I wanted to do a red lip, but I can't find my red lipstick, so here we are. Never when you need it. I'm just going to line my lips. So I've lined them. I'm going to use this Mocha by MAC, and it's kind of like a brushed color. It's just my lip gloss that I probably use every day, and this is in 801. It's just it's pink in here, but I don't know if the color is showing up, but it's pink in here, but it's just like a clear. Doesn't really give any pigment or anything to the lip. But yeah, take this off and make sure my edges have some type of color on them. One sec, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Again, this is the look, so tell me what you think. And again, I am no makeup artist. Eyeshadow, I don't really mess with eyeshadow too much. I do wear it, but I didn't want that for this look. We're just going out for a little light Sunday hangout. Yep. So this is it. Turn so you can see the curls. And I'm still having my earrings that my son gave me. But yeah, this is the look for our Sunday fun day. Tell me what you think.
I'm leaving, hi.
Okay, have a good day. Alright, this is the Sunday fun day look. We're gonna go hang out in our city a little bit. And yeah, but this is what I do if I want to do a little something, not too much. Tell me what you think. If you got any suggestions, let me know. Again, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. A jumpsuit from Old Navy. My shoes, they're just a boot. I want to say a salmon Libby or something. I can't remember. They're so old, but they're like a rust orange color. I don't even know if they're still in business. These are so old. So I got the Fenty shades, Old Navy jumpsuit, Fenty bag, salmon Libby boots. Yeah, just something comfortable. I don't want to be cold and I don't want to be hot, and it's going to be in the 50s later on.